Today I'd like to show you how quick and easy it is to install S-5 clamps. With the mounting hole in the desired orientation, 2 set screws are hand threaded into the clamp on the side opposite the seam folds. When these screws are tightened, it will press the seam material to the opposite side of the clamp throat. With proper tightening, they will actually force a dimple into the seam material. This deformation is important to the clamp's holding strength because it forms a mechanical interlock of clamp to seam. Using an electric screw gun and the bit tip provided with our clamps, the set screws are tightened. Notice that we tighten one screw and then the next, and then come back once more to repeat. This is to be sure that we have adequate screw tension after the seam compresses. We're confident that S-5 clamps are the right way to attach rooftop ancillaries to a standing seam metal roof.